Alright guys, don't mind the bed here, but welcome. I'm back, and today we're gonna be doing a challenge where I have to wake up every day at 6 a.m. for the next week, okay? Because I'm gonna be honest, guys, my sleep schedule is kinda cooked. So today, I don't know, it was just a special day. My body just told me to wake up at like 5 in the morning, so I actually did woke up at like an hour earlier than expected. But right now it's actually 5:56, so I was like up for like 50 minutes around that. But I'm right now and I'm trying to wake up. Yeah, it's 6 a.m. right now, and I finally woke up at 6 a.m. honestly. I've never actually attempted to wake up at 6 a.m. because most of the time I do snooze, but this is the first day of trying to clear my skin and better myself, that I do need to make a change in these next 7 days. During that experience that I felt when I woke up at 5, actually it wasn't because my body did tell me to wake up at 5 because, you know, low-key I need to use the bathroom, so I guess you could say like that is the reason why I woke up at 5, because I needed to use the bathroom. But then I decided to just stay up because you know, I was like, why not? I already woke up. I don't want to go back to sleep and only like sleep for like an hour, so I might as well just wake up and record a video like this. And so I feel like the hardest part of, you know, waking up is just like I don't know, just getting out of the bed is probably the hardest part in my opinion, because you're so comfortable in your own bed, and like the blankets makes you warm and stuff, and when you get out, you know, you're all exposed and it's like you're cold. It's just harder to do things. You're like demotivated when you first wake up. So I think a lot of people have that same struggle of just waking up, you know, getting back on track, starting your goals. That's the hardest part. At the end of the day, it is the hardest part to start. And so I created this challenge for myself to see the struggles that'll take me to wake up every day at 6 a.m. Usually I wake up at like 6:50, I'm not gonna lie. Just took a cold shower now, and that was probably one of the greatest things I felt in a while, bro. Like genuinely. When you do skincare, goes like this. It starts off with the cleanser, and then it does toner, then we have glycerin, and then we have sunscreen. And then these are my oils I use for my hair. Most part, if you use like 10 skincare products in your skin, it's just at this point it's not really gonna help you. And so yeah, I decided just to use no skincare products for the next 2 weeks, just kind of like, I guess, detox, like skincare detox, or chemical detox from my face, to see what happens, if it will actually improve. Because right now this is what it looks like. I mean, you can't see it from the light, but if you were to actually see it like in the mirror, it's a lot of acne. I'm not gonna lie, it's quite a bit. I would say mild acne, but it's not like, okay, it's not crazy acne, but it's slightly mild, which is something I want to actually change. Because before I had no acne. I had absolutely no acne until probably end of sophomore year, start of junior year is when I started to grow the acne, probably due to puberty and other things, like using too many skincare products. So yeah, right here I show you my whole skincare product list. I mean, it's quite a bit, I'm not gonna lie. Like I have quite a bit, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to like you see if you see it with better lighting, yeah, it's not good, I'll tell you that. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm trying to go for more simplistic, easy to do skincare routine instead of having these 10-step skincare routines with toners and exfoliators and all sorts of weird stuff. I don't know. Yeah, I don't even know what's going on with the skincare industry right now. But I'm not going to use like all those creams, all those. But anyways, yeah. That's about it. I'm not really going to use that many skincare products. Once I do introduce them in the following 2 weeks after that. So yeah, we're gonna see you guys later, and I'll show you guys my skin progress. Alright, my skin has been extremely bad recently. I mean, like, look at this. It's emerging. All the acne is emerging. This is not good. This is like the third day. So, we're going very simple. Start off with a hydrating cleanser. Then we're going to be moving on to Paula's Choice. We're using salicylic acid and moisturizer. That's it. Only three. Because I've been putting a lot more skincare products and I shouldn't be doing that. I should keep it simple. I've never tried this Paula's Choice thing. The only acne treatment I've ever used is the benzoyl peroxide from Panoxyl or the retinoid. I use it with adapalene gel or something. Adapalene gel, right? But I've switched to this, and I'm gonna be only sticking to this because honestly, look at this. It's very bad, and I tried using the benzoyl peroxide, but it didn't work. So I'm sticking to this now. You'll be putting a bit. I don't know how much you put. You put this amount. Welcome to another video on the Ryan Wood channel, and as you see in front of the title of the video, I'm going to be talking about my skincare progress and how that's been going so far. I've been dealing with acne for quite a bit. I mean, it's been a couple of years now that I've had acne. I think the first time I had acne was probably the end of 2023, start of 2024. So it was it's probably a year and a half, or year, close to 2 years now. And yeah, the acne is still kind of there. I can't lie, it's still kind of there, but I wanted to show you how my acne progress has been going thus far. Currently outside is beautiful weather. You know, the sun's out right now, and everything's pretty good so far. I'm not dead. You know, I'm in college right now. I haven't been having time to record videos, but I will reserve time for myself to start this channel again. This video has been going on for quite a bit. Like this progress I've been trying to like upload. I've been trying to do it for a while, so yeah, I was supposed to upload like some of these skincare progress videos like a long time ago, but I've never had the chance to. So now I've decided to, because I want to improve my skin, and it's definitely improved over the years. Maybe like part of it is because of puberty, obviously, and hormone changes, but a lot of it has just been me not eating healthy and just sleeping bad and having just bad habits in general, which does cause acne to grow. But let's talk about my progress throughout the years. You're gonna see some clips here. I mean, you've probably seen a lot of clips of my acne so far, and a lot of how I've done like kind of like resolved acne was not only just working out, but doing skincare, having a good routine, just having good sleeping habits, and being able to just eat healthier while also maintaining a good diet. So a lot of it is just me trying to better myself. I think a lot of what acne and why your skin may not glow as much is from like not only puberty, but a lot of the lifestyle habits that you do. So I'm definitely still improving and trying to change in terms of trying to glow up, but right now it's been pretty good so far, and I'm hoping to keep that progress up and hopefully not go through bad habits in college. So yeah, here's what my progress is so far. So this is like kind of 2024-ish, mid of 2024. You can probably see the dates right there, and it was very bad. I mean, it was very bad. I had to like, and a lot of it was just trying to change my skincare routine, buying too many products on Amazon and trying to find what's the best product for me. And I realized like the best product for my skincare was very simplistic, gentle cleansers like CeraVe's hydrating cleanser. That's gonna go to for me now. I used to be using like foaming cleansers and other Korean skincare products. I don't think it really worked for me. And then I tried using a lot of I use oil cleansers. I was using retinol creams and other stuff. It was like skincare routine was kind of a mess. I mean, I can show you what my routine was. I've like used it and it still didn't really work. And what like the little fixes of trying to eat healthier and trying to like work out more and become more active and sleeping like earlier is definitely helped me with my skincare routine. But yeah, I'm still trying to learn to improve my skincare. My skincare now consists of just a hydrating cleanser. I have a vitamin C serum I use to like remove the dark spots, because like these are like kind of like spots that I had before, like, you know, from like past acne. It like kind of like it went away, but like the dark spots of it still like remains. So I'm using the vitamin C serum to try to like resolve it faster. And I'm using moisturizer from La Roche-Posay. It's really good. It's very calming moisturizer, unlike some other ones, and it's definitely been helpful for my skin. I've also using the the salicylic acid. I don't know how they say it, but it's salicylic acid from Paula's Choice. I think it's definitely improved my skin, and I've just kept using it like every like other day. So I'll be using it like a Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule. I'll be using the salicylic acid, and I've stopped using the benzoyl peroxide because I've been using that way too much, and I don't know, it just hasn't been helping compared to salicylic acid. It's just a lot better. Salicylic acid is just beyond better. I've been using the pimple patches as well. I've used the Hero ones. They've been working pretty well. The only problem I have with it is just like, you know, after like it's like it like gets rid of the thing, it still has that spot there. So that's why I'm using the vitamin C serum to like resolve it. But yeah, that's mainly all the products I actually use. I only use a moisturizer, a cleanser, a vitamin C serum, and a like, you know, a acne reducing agent like
essay, salicylic acid. That's basically it, honestly. I can't think of any other things. I used to use toner. I stopped using toner a while back, and also I do use a little bit of this. It's like a retinol. That's not a retinol, but it's like whatchamacallit, ampoule. It goes well with the toner. And I also used to use the clay, or I used it's kind of windy right now. Sorry, I had to hold this phone now. But I used to use the New York Biology. It's called I used like a mud mask, and I just put it all over my face. I think it does really help cleanse my face. I didn't bring it with me during college dorm, but when I go back home, I usually use that mud mask. That's usually used like once a week, something like that. But it does definitely help. And that's about it, honestly. Like, for everything with skin, it's not only about the skincare routine. Stick to one skincare routine that consists of very gentle, simplistic, harmless chemicals. Like, I've used the hydrating cleanser. It's definitely helped me. I haven't used like double cleanser or whatever. I mean some people, like, it depends on what your skin type is and what fits best for you. I mean, I've tried out a lot of skincare products, and I've just been having the most success with the simple ones. So just go for the simple products. Make sure to eat healthy. Make sure to sleep healthy, or not sleep healthy, but sleep enough so that your body gets. Because, like, the best way for your body to recover, your skin to recover, is through sleep. So if you don't have enough sleep, it's just gonna result in a lot of acne problems and skin problems in general. I also use sunscreen, by the way. Don't forget about sunscreen. I've been neglecting sunscreen, but sunscreen's good for you because you don't want to get freaking sun waving down your skin right now. Like, I haven't been using the sunscreen, actually. I should be listening to my own advice because I haven't used my sunscreen right now, but I will right after this video. But yeah, I shouldn't be in the sun for too long, actually, but oh well, I will use the sunscreen. But I've been neglecting that. Anyway, sunscreen is very important. Make sure to use sunscreen. And that's about it, honestly. Like, I got nothing much else to say besides, like, I'm just showing you all my skincare progress right now so far, and my skin type so far. I hope to get better and clearer once this year ends. That's my goal, trying to get my skin to look as healthy as possible, like before puberty started. But yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next video. There's gonna be a lot more videos coming soon from the Ryan Wynn channel, and yeah, that's about it. Peace out, guys.